Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Stock Pivot's pre-market analysis. Let's deep dive straight into market insights. Today, we'll have a lot to cover, so I'll be going a little fast. We are looking at the S&P 500. Yesterday, on Friday pre-market, we were looking at this particular candle, which was undecided doji at the top. So next candle came as a bullish candle, opening and closing above the previous candle, means we are looking for the upside breakout. So this particular candle, we were undecided. We were looking either this next candle to sell off or to continue the bullish momentum, which is bullish. So now we have the confirmation. What we are looking at, nearest price target, we are looking at 609, equal high, point number one, point number two, point number three right here, which is also the horizontal resistance. So first price target, we are looking for 609 and some change on the top, equal high, horizontal resistance. Most likely that, again, this area will be the undecided area. I have done my lot of calculation, everything pointing for the next sell-off at $639. This kind of sell-off. This kind of sell-off is pointing at 639, precise at 639. So we'll be monitoring that to 609, which direction it will continue. But yes, 639, a disaster is coming. Moving forward to QuantumScape, we bought the stock at 394 and 397. We are in profit. We'll continue holding our position in this one. We are looking for first exit at 510. So right now it's 417. We'll hold up to 510 and then we'll exit the trade and we'll be out of QuantumScape. Moving forward to SMCI, it's bullish overall. We are having a short put on this one. We have 65 short put, which is still red. Which is basically cash secured put. We want to exercise that. Another means to be assigned to us. Another, we have the 33 put, which is will be in profit at the market opening. We are looking for 4780 in that area, moving above sooner or later. That's the best part about SMCI. This is heading into $60. Make sure you know that. Sooner or later, it will come here at this first red candle top. This is the point where it's coming, 57.49. So this is where it's heading. We are right now bouncing on and off of the 200 EMA. This sharp demand will lead to the another repetition like this one. So this thing will be repeated right here. Something like this. This is the pattern the stock is following. The fast demand, expanding and fast, and then expanding and fast, which will lead into 57 right here. And we will mark the top. This is wave 3, which one? The first one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wave 5 will begin, and then wave 5 will put it into 57 area, and we are out. Moving forward to AI, we'll continue trading this stock unless it reaches 34, 37 area. Until this order block right here, this sell side order block. Unless we mitigate this one around 34.58, we'll continue trading this stock. Fundamentally, this company is very strong. If you look at throughout the trading history of this company, every single earning was beat. So that's why. So we'll continue trading this until 34. We are holding a position on bull spread. We have booked multiple profit on this one, and we'll continue doing so. Moving forward, GameStop. Very interestingly, we have a position which we have booked the profit 2 times on this one, and third time we are holding the covered call. We have an earning tomorrow after the market close. So we'll be adjusting our trade today around 3 o'clock. We'll be making some shift, both sides looking at the analysis, what we'll be doing. But overall, it's bullish. We are looking at this area, 35 to 40 area. There is a lot of call purchase for 35 area, like hell of call has been purchased. Even on the floor and the institution side, 35 for 20th of June. So that's the area that I'm looking at, 35 area, and we'll be taking exit of our position. DJT, again, we are holding our position. We'll continue holding. We are covered for 20th of June for $22. So let the call expire, and then we'll be repeating the covered call. Until then, we'll be continue holding. Moving forward to Tesla, we have been bearish since 355.49. We are still bearish. If you look at the current price, 289, which is below the 200 EMA now, means we have crossed negative. This is where a lot of people start short selling the market. Once the price drop below 200 EMA, it's a target for the short seller. We know precisely where it will drop. The first price target we were looking at. Before I go that, we traded this area this week On the other day when it dropped after the FUD was going on the Twitter, we traded from 276.14 to 274.61 all the way to 299. We closed our position. Now we are looking for entry again. Most likely we will target 256 area for the next entry. And absolute bottom is exclusive for the Discord member only, which has already been alerted. And I'll be taking a long synthetic position when this drop to the bottom. But 256 is probably the right area to capture as much as you want to buy. Okay, to the penny precise, exclusive for Discord only. NCLH, this stock, we have booked our profit. We are looking for another entry right away. So a little bit of pullback, like 2%, 3% sell-off will take the another entry. We'll continue holding this until 27, 28 area. Perfect long stock. Our entry was somewhere right here, around $16 something and $17.28. So those were our entry right here. The bottom was marked in this area, 1685. We have had a decent profit on this one, but we took an exit on Friday. But we are looking for another entry right at 1861. This is what we are looking at. Fibonacci retracement of this level, 1861 to 1827, plus minus $18.50 will take another position, and the right all the way to $24 right in this area. This sell side order block, this drop. Moving forward to MSTR. MSTR, we have been bullish since the stock was trading at $240. We are in wave 4. If you look at double bottom right here, our entry was somewhere right here. We are continuing holding our position on MSTX and MSTR. Wave number 1, 2, 3. We are retracing into wave 4. We are still above 200 EMA. We are close to the Fibonacci retracement on all other EMA. It's opening up. On MSTR, we are looking for 470.58 to exit. So even if any pullback happens a little bit, maybe because of the overall market sell-off or anything, it's still a hold. Continue holding your position for 470.58. 470.58, exit all position, no matter it goes to 1,000 or 2,000. At this area, we have to exit all our position. Moving forward to UNH. UNH, you will see the shooting up now. It has already started. We are looking for 427.62. You'll see the institution buy most likely today or tomorrow. There is a lot of institution buy coming. If you monitor the institution transaction, you will see that today a lot of buy is going to happen. So currently trading at 305.62 above 9 EMA. We are bullish. The stock has turned bullish for the first time since it was trading right here. Every single day I have mentioned that it was holding this 9 EMA as a resistance. Today is the first time it's turned resistance into support line. So now we'll continue that. And team are bullish. Continue. First price target 348, second price target 427. We are out at 427. There is a good amount of money to be made on this stock. Generally, what happens if you look at when you see this kind of pattern, the falling wedge breakout failed. Generally, this is how the stock marked the bottom. And then what will happen? It will take down not this point eventually. The long run, this is where it will be. Long run means year down the line. 616. But what we are looking at trading at SR interchange right here. This one. This is our price target. Because right here, what will happen? There will be a retracement. After we reach to 427, there will be a solid retracement, 10-15%, and then continue the upward momentum. That will be the next wave. The wave of 1 to 5 will complete here at 427, then ABC down, and then there will be next 5 wave to make it to 500 and 600 area. That's a long, I can't comment on that one. It's a very long time frame. We are looking for a year down the line. But this one, we are looking under 90 days, next 90 days. From here, all the way to 427, next 90 days. Wix is below 200 EMA. That's the reason that the market is still bullish. And S&P 500 continue pushing higher and higher. Last couple of days, I have mentioned once the Wix drop below 200 EMA, it will make a loop right in this area. Like slowly, a bending. It will come down, stay here, consolidate, and then continue upward. Overall, moving forward, a couple of weeks down the line, which is probably going to happen on 20th of June. That's what I have, 20th of July. That's what I have calculated. It was alerted back in April, the 20th of July, the market will sell off, which is Sunday, and the future will open red on 20th of July. So that's where somewhere this is making its ground right here. So watch in the month of July. So far, the market is bullish, but there is a big sell-off coming soon. It's not far. Few weeks down the line. Not today, not tomorrow, not this week. This week we are bullish, but yeah, few weeks down the line we have a big sell-off coming up, building up, because the VIX has to shoot up. And the problem with the VIX is this is not something like Nvidia or some other stocks that it will continue consolidate and then continue going upward slowly. This can shoot up like 2x, 3x overnight. That's the problem with VIX. So I think few weeks down the line, the VIX will shoot up and the market will crash. Not crash, I mean a decent correction. So keep watching. Better position you if you are looking to park your cash. Amazon, Adobe, and UNH. These are the three stocks. Perfect for a position to hold. NCLH is your long position. Continue holding long. We are looking for 1861 to enter. Moving forward to Bitcoin. So let's look at what's going on the Bitcoin. Bitcoin supposed to sell off right here. It touched the $100,000. $100,000 is very particularly it managed to hold, and there is a problem with the $100,000. You need to know that when we are above $100,000, $100,000 is working as a psychological support line. But when we are below $100,000, then it's working as a psychological resistance, because buyer, they want to see it above $100,000, seller want to drop it to $100,000. This is a kind of a tricky area. There is no resistance, there is no support here. It's a psychological level. And institution, those who bought here 7,737 Bitcoin in this area, which is 21st Capital, Michael Saylor, and this GameStop, they are trying to defend this area. But looking at the analysis, they will not be able to hold this area. Sooner or later, this has to come down to 94,062, 94,062 to 91,162. This is the area. This is where it has to come sooner or later. What will happen if this shoot up again? There will be an equal high and then sell off. Upside risk we are looking at is maximum. It can push into this right now, which is going up. Where it can push into the maximum, it can go up to 111. So let me just run it for you. Another wave right here on the daily time frame. Okay. So we are looking for the price target at $94,087.60. That's our price target, which is downside. We are bearish on this one, which is wave 2. And the wave 3 will put it to $139,000. What's the risk right now to going upward is 111,880. If it keep pushing upside, which we see the long position on the chart, so maximum it can go up to 111,880 and then again sell off, which is the equal high of this point right here, right here. So even if it's push higher, it will make a double top number 1, top number 2, and then sell off. It has to come to 94,000 no matter what. And then once it's fall into 94 area, from there, the next leg will be $139,000. So don't get confused between $139,000 price target and a 94. First, we have a downside price target 94, and then the third wave will take it to 139,000 area. This push up right now, equal high, again sell off. Similar situation right here. Go up, then sell off. Come to 94, form the base, wave 2, retracement of this entire bull run. Mark the bottom here and then continue towards 139 and even 171. That's wave 3. All right, moving forward, ICP this morning, we booked our profit. Our entry was 478. We took the profit at 599 precisely this morning. We'll be opening another position. We know that where we'll be buying again. We are bullish. We only booked profit on a 50% position. We are still holding 50%. So if a little bit of retracement comes here about, let's say, 6%, 5 to 6%, then we'll be taking that 50%, will go back in the markets and we double our position again, and then we continue ride. First price target on ICP, we are looking for 760. 762. Next price 916, and eventually we are looking for $11. This is where it's heading into long term. So moving forward, if I do Amazon and then I'll stop. So there are 3 stocks that we are looking at right now with a high upside. Amazon, we are looking for about 20 to 28%, 26 to 28% upside. So good to add on every single pullback. Buy Amazon on every pullback and then hold. We are in profit. We have booked profit multiple times on Amazon. We have been trading since 198, right in this area. this is where our entry was, 198 area. And we have been trading this, and we'll continue trading unless it go to 237. That's what we are looking at, minimum 237. Then we'll decide whether to continue or not. And another one is the UNH. Every pullback, even if 1% pullback, must be purchased on this one. This is heading, this will make a lot of money, but it will take about 90 days. So it's not going to break out tomorrow, but 90 days, definitely 427. And I already tweeted about. I think that's all for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. And if you have any question or comments, put in the comment box. Any ticker you want to be added for tomorrow pre-market briefing. And I'll see the Discord member in the group. Thanks. Bye.